Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see, we're doing a crazy clown makeup tutorial. So I hope you all enjoy, and if you want to see how I recreate this look, keep on watching. Alrighty guys, let's get started. Okay, so to start off, I already have my brows on, and for this look I didn't really want to focus too much on my eyebrows, but if you want, you can make them much neater. As you can see, I started out with a sketch of where I want the cuts on my face using a white eyeliner. And with my liquid latex, I'm applying it around that white liner. So for this look, I'm using cotton balls because of the shape and the moldability. I want this cut to look like a smile, and I think it would be a lot easier to use cotton balls and latex. I started out using a disposable sponge, however I find it's easier to apply the latex with the spatula. It gives me more control of where the latex goes.
Heading up to the code 3 chase. Suspect was last reported southbound on Highway 99.
016, 1044 with the pursuit.
When I was coming up with this look, I was mostly inspired by the Joker, the Dark Knight version, the best version. So for eyeshadow, I'm going for the messy, bruised look. So I'm starting out with a light red color and blending it all over my eyes. Then I'm going to be taking a darker red color, and with like a stippling motion, I'm going to apply it all over my eyes. The stippling motion is going to help make your eyes look more bruised. Then I'm going to apply a dark purple color to my lids and stippling the color outwards as well. Now, like normal, I'm applying some primer, foundation, and setting powder. If you notice, I will not be using any concealer today because I want to have some dark circles under my eyes. And because the cuts are so big, I won't be using any bronzer or highlighter. Shocking, I know. Next, I'm going to be applying black eyeliner to my upper and lower waterline. Don't forget to add the light red and the purple color underneath your eyes and smudging the black eyeliner. now you're going to add a black cream paint to the inside cut where the skin meets and adding red to the wound. I'll also be applying the red to my lips and smudging it all over my mouth. If you saw my latex tutorial, I go more in detail about how to create this bloody wound type situation here. So I would go check it out on my channel if you haven't already. And while you're there, subscribe. So for this next part, I will be using alcohol activated paint, but you can just use any cream paint or eyeshadow. I'll be applying a dark red brown color to the outer edges of the cut. I'm also going to be creating these triangles on my eyes with a black color. The size is really up to you, but the idea is to make them really messy, so just keep that in mind for when you're trying to work up your triangles. When working with alcohol activated paints, they tend to dry really quickly, so when you're smudging, make sure to do it right away. Next is everyone's favorite part, scab blood. Apply to the inside of the cut and get a little on the outer rim. Scab blood is definitely my favorite when creating wounds and cuts that look like this. It definitely makes everything look fresh, and scab blood tends to stay a lot longer. So the red color that's on my lips weren't as dark as I wanted it to be. So I'm taking a dark red liquid lipstick and applying it all over my lips. Imagine a drunk girl touching up her makeup. Yeah. Alright everyone, thank you again so much for watching this tutorial on how to do a crazy clown makeup look. I hope you guys recreate it, and if you do, don't forget to leave a picture in the comments down below. Thank you again so much for watching this video. All of the products that I used will be listed in the description box below, as well as the link to my Instagram. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will not be posting a video this Friday, but stay tuned for more because I will post a brand new video next Friday. Alrighty guys, thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Happy Halloween!